What is C++? C++ is a general-purpose, high-level programming language that was developed as an extension of the C programming language. It was created by Bjarne Stroustrup in the early 1980s and has since become widely used in various software development applications, including system programming, game development, embedded systems, and more. Key features and characteristics of C++ include 1. Object-oriented programming, OOP. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. 2. Syntax similarity to C. C++ retains much of the syntax and functionality of the C programming language. 3. Standard template library, STL. C++ includes a powerful standard template library, STL. 4. Performance and efficiency. C++ allows developers to have direct memory access and control. 5. Multi-paradigm language. C++ is a multi-paradigm language, meaning it supports various programming styles. C++ has been instrumental in various industries, including game development, operating systems, device drivers, high-performance applications, and more. It continues to be a popular choice among developers for projects where performance, control, and efficiency are paramount.